It's a double ribbon blender made by Scott Equipment. It's 15 cubic foot working capacity, stainless steel, sanitary. It's got a 3 horsepower belt driven to a shaft mount gear reducer, outboard roller bearings, air purge seals. It's a 6-inch outlet. With a pneumatic cylinder to operate the discharge valve. That's your discharge valve control. Your stand is 50.5 inches, heavy duty painted stand, and this is 49.5 inches. So you got a 1-inch drop from end to end. Now we'll run it.